After setting SPF and DKIM to your domain DNS, another email authentication protocol that you have to set up is DMARC. DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. It's another authentication protocol built up based on SPF and DKIM to provide extra protection against email-based attacks. And it also allows domain owners to specify policies for how email receiving server should handle that email fails SPF and DKIM authentication check. So that's why you have to set up a DMARC to your domain DNS before start sending email using your domain. To set up a DMARC to my domain DNS, I have came back to my domain's advanced DNS. Before that, I have to actually create a DMARC record using DMARC generator. You can just search on Google to find a DMARC generator. I have made a search on Google and has several DMARC generator. You can choose whatever generator you want. So I have choose a generator and I have created or I have generated this DMARC record using this generator. So I'm going to copy this value. This is the record. I have to add it to my domain DNS as a TXT record. So I'm going to copy the host name first, going to my DNS, advanced DNS. I'm going to add a TXT record. Click on TXT. Under the host name, I'm going to paste the host name I have copied from the generator. Then I'm going to copy the value. And this is the value. I'm going to copy it. And okay, under the advanced DNS, under the value, I'm going to paste it here. And when you are done, just click on Save Changes. And it is done. My DMARC record setup is completed. Now you have to wait at least 48 hours to 72 hours to update the DMARC record to your domain DNS. It takes such a longer time to update the DMARC record. And after that, you can once again make a search on Google to find a DMARC checker. You can find a bunch of DMARC checker and you have to put your domain name to check out your DMARC record is updated or not. So this is the very simple way you can set up your DMARC record to your domain DNS.